If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can create an input mask for a table field in Access to dictate a pattern to use for the field's data entry. You can manually create input masks for most text, date, and number data type fields in Access except the long text data type. Access also provides an easy step-by-step routine called the Input Mask Wizard, which helps you to apply input masks to selected short text and date-time data type fields. To apply an input mask to a table field in Access, select the table to open in Design View within the navigation pane. Then press the Ctrl+Enter keys on your keyboard, or right-click it in the navigation pane, and then select the Design View command from the pop-up menu to open the table in Design View. Then select the field to which to apply an input mask in the design grid at the top of the table's design view. In the Field Properties section at the bottom of the Table Design View's tabbed window, select the General tab. Then click into the Input Mask field property. To apply an input mask to a selected short text or date-time data type field by using the Input Mask Wizard, then click the Expression Builder button, which looks like an ellipsis symbol and which appears at the far right end of the Input Mask property box, to open the Input Mask Wizard. You must then save the table. After saving, the Input Mask Wizard dialog box opens. The wizard shows some of the most common input masks for a field. Select whichever input mask you need. Answer each question posed in each screen of the wizard and click Next to continue. When finished, click the Finish button to apply the input mask. Alternatively, to manually enter the input mask, type your desired input mask and, if needed, its other optional input mask arguments for its other optional sections directly into the Input Mask property field. To view the special character information and optional additional argument and section information needed to manually create an input mask of your choosing, click into the Input Mask property field and then press the F1 key on your keyboard. Then click the text box .input mask property access link in the web page that opens to view this information. If applying an input mask to a date-time field, remember that the format property will conflict with the input mask property if they are different from one another, which can happen with date-time fields. So you may want to edit or remove your format property first if applying an input mask to a date-time field. When you are done, save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.